Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good day.
Likewise. Let's go get things from AutoZone. I just came out of AutoZone, so let me show you what I ended up getting. I was literally in there, like, and I felt so out of place. I found these heavy duty cleaning wipes. Supposedly you can clean the interior and the exterior with them. I was gonna get the interior wipes that had the scent, but then I found this. And I remember this brand, Chemical Guys. When Damien had his BMW, he would use this same exact brand, but he would get the leather, since he had leather in his car, and it would literally just take up the whole entire car, and the whole car would literally smell like the scent of just this. So I bought the signature scent. I don't even know how to explain it, but it smells really good for the interior. And then I just got a few microfiber towels for whenever it's done drying, because sometimes the blow dryers with the drive-through car washes, they don't really get all of the spots, you know. So at the very end, I'll just go and like final detail everything. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got from AutoZone. Let's go to the car wash, and then as soon as we're done, then we'll go to Ross so I can buy a new dog cover, because I'm gonna throw that one away. It's disgusting and it's broken. So let's go to the car wash. Do the interior. You gotta push to start. Ross. I haven't found any dog seat covers. I'm still looking. Hopefully one pops up somewhere. But I found this new windshield sun protector, and then look, I found a like crystal steering wheel cover, and I'm only thinking because my license plates are crystal of like this color, so I don't know, why not? But I think it's so cute, and it's the only one, and it's only 10 bucks. I was looking at the ones at AutoZone and they were like 20, so if anything, I'll just take these two and not the dog seat cover. I can look at like another Ross or something. I'm not seeing. So let's look for the dog cover, because right now this is what I have. Oh, and this is 5 bucks, so 15 bucks in total right here. Yeah, it smells so good in here. I'm so glad. But before I leave, let's test out. Let's see if this fits on the dash. It fits! Okay, y'all, my camera's about to die, so thank you guys so much for coming along with me and refreshing Mrs. Pearl. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.